We begin with a developing story. Investigators are now at the scene of a major shootout between the police and the gunmen in Unity Valley in St. Anne. It's understood that 2 men were shot in the incident. One of them is said to be one of St. Anne's most wanted fugitives, and we will have more on this developing story in subsequent newscasts. The St. Catherine South Police are keeping a close watch on Central Village following a deadly attack. As Anthony Lugg reports, 4 persons were shot, 1 fatally.
Yellow tape and a heavy police presence in Central Village Friday night helped to tell the tale of what unfolded hours before. Reports indicate that 2 men on foot opened fire on a group of people at a wake on Wellington Avenue. Senior Superintendent Christopher Phillips is commanding officer for the St. Catherine South Police Division.
A 59-year-old returning resident from the United States was gunned down inside that community. 3 other persons were injured in that attack.
The deceased woman has been identified as 59-year-old Marcia Dillion. We're told Miss Dillion recently returned to the island. The 3 injured, who are said to be senior citizens, remain hospitalized.
It's one of the community that we have to maintain 24-hour presence inside there. It's just a pity that the team that was inside the community was able to reach here minutes after the incident.
It's still not clear what led to Friday's deadly attack. However, there have been speculation that Miss Dillion was the target. We put the issue to SSP Phillips.
There are a lot of theories circulating. What I can say is that we know that there is a dispute between gangsters who are connected to that area. As to the intricate details, we're still doing our investigation to tie down exactly what would have led to this.
Meanwhile, the police in the division were kept busy on Friday. There were murders in Southborough, Brayton, and Old Harbour.
In fact, at one point, we had to recall a team to come on the ground to provide further assistance based on what was happening. But our team met this morning and we have some good leads on some of these incidents, and we're going to be pursuing it pretty aggressively because we know we're going to hit back based on what is happening.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.